Hi, good morning. I'm Kaushal Kumar, and I've been into the IT industry since last 17 years. And education-wise, I've completed triple masters and law graduation, and I've completed 1 year program in cyber law from LawSeco itself from the last year batch. And currently, I've been enrolled in two programs. One is the media and entertainment law, EC course, and the another one is competition law program, that is again the EC course. So simultaneously, I'm enrolled in two programs with LawSeco. I've been working with IT industry so long, and uh, started my career as a software engineer, very conventional way that people grow in their career. Then later on, I moved into the management, and slowly I have moved into the project delivery side. And then I encountered with the situation to go with management plus legal plus technology. So I should say God have blessed me to have this as a lethal combination in me, as a computer science postgraduate 2 times, followed by management graduate, and followed by bachelor's of law. Thankful to God, and thankful to the thankful to my ecosystem and my professional environment and my family, those who have supported me to learn along uh, all these different dimensions and look forward how optimally we can contribute towards the growth of society, legal world, and professional world. So that's exactly the snapshot about my career. So currently, I have been into more towards the statement of work, master service agreements with my organization, project bidding, that I've been just seeing how exactly the business are being clicked with the customers, and in what way our competitors are also equally bidding onto the same deals, and in what way our proposals should go in such a way that in terms of offering the services that are actually in line with the business objectives to meet the spirit of competition as well. I thought that this would be really a good opportunity and good platform to learn competition law. Either it could be competition law act, a competition act 2002 of India, or it could be across the globe, that is the local or the municipal law of respective country in terms of the competition law being employed, so that we would be able to know in what way we can go for the project winnings, keeping the overall business ethics into the free market, and having the project win at our own plate. So that definitely gives us an opportunity to look forward the current competition legal dimensions that we have to understand, and we should we should able to uh, make the program bid or the project bid or the account bid in a fair and in a fair spirit of the competitions that are being existed across the different vendors, those who are bidding for the same deal towards the different set of customers. There are several combinations that I have seen within the competition law, that either in terms of the agreements that usually do people with the horizontal cartel they are making, the vertical cartel they are making, vertical agreement they are making. In terms of the spirit of competition law, vertical agreements could have been beneficial for the consumer perspective. So in the same spirit, we are also working in the same dimension with our current organization, because my organization is basically primary business is the business process outsourcing. We already have the Fortune 500 customers with ourselves. Our company has extended its arm in the robotics process automation and the machine learning and the artificial intelligence business vertical, so that the same customer set should be moved to the extended business lines that my current organization, Genpact, that is offering in. basically we need not to go to find the another customer. We need not to go for the open market again to find the customer and having the more strategy looking forward how exactly the bid can be won. Since we already have the customer into the plate who has been associated with us from last many years, but they are looking forward for the nice technological solutions in terms of that current market is offering in. So my organization has extended its arm to use the same customer portfolio and provide the extended services to them. It is a kind of the vertical arrangement with the customer that so that they should stay with us and they should be able to continue the relationship with my organization. So I feel that this is quite fair in the spirit of going ahead with the generation of revenue, and as well as to the overall end consumers also. Customer need not to look forward this solution from the different vendors. From the same vendor, they have been getting end-to-end solution in terms of their business optimization is concerned. Faculty is excellent. She has a very thorough knowledge of the subject in place. It is giving us an in-depth of the different economics parameters and how exactly the business lines that we have to keep it into the mind once we are into the field of competition with the different arrangements that we are in with our customers or the another vendors. So conceptually things are moving up in a very better shape and giving us an enhanced version of understanding, so that at our organization level, so once we are bidding it to the different customers or to the existing customer, we are doing the account mining. So the same competition spirit stays with us, and that conceptual learning as well as the practical learning I have been understanding from this program. So this is really helpful for me to broaden up my mental horizon in terms of understanding the overall business competition and the project winning. In terms of, I'm glad specifically that faculty herself knows very well the subject in place, and moreover in terms of the advanced business topics like merger and control and the competition and IPR. So these are very crucial and critical topics where she is also inviting the other guests who are specifically into this practice field. So that has given us a very broadened view how exactly we can protect our IPR staying into the competition, and we would be able to understand that how my businesses would be benefiting out of it. So this is the fair feedback in terms of that we people that I've been just understanding in, and probably in the longer run when the things get more matured in terms of the business my organization into or the current market is into, so we would be able to implement more better related to the advanced topic of the competitions like merger and amalgamation and merger control and protecting our IPR. So that advanced topics would definitely, I believe, help me at the later stage of my career, or the way I would start contributing further into my current role or into my advanced roles. I would recommend that this program should have been, in place of EC course, it should have been converted to the diploma course or adding more and more topics. And since I've been working into the company where we are not solely working with the domestic competition issues, we are working with the international competition issues as well. So if you will make this program as a diploma program and add the content of the local municipal law of competition across the different countries where various multinationals are working in, so it would be giving the very broader role in terms of winning the deals across the globe, and would have given the better understanding how the fair practices could have been taken care by understanding the individual local or municipal laws of competition of respective countries. So this is my recommendation, if you would be able to make it into the diploma program for the longer duration.